I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start by enabling Voice Match so Google recognizes you when the phone is locked. Open the Google app, go to Settings and Voice, then enable Voice Match. This trains a voice model for your profile. Make sure microphone permission and lock screen access are allowed so the assistant can hear commands while locked. Once done, say the sample phrases to complete training. This reduces false activations and helps the assistant distinguish your voice from others nearby. Next, configure what Assistant can do when the device is locked. In Assistant settings, select Lock Screen or Personal Results and enable only non-sensitive actions like alarms, navigation, and music controls. Make sure payments, read aloud of messages, or device unlock commands are disabled if you want privacy. Also adjust voice sensitivity and detection timeout so the assistant responds reliably, but not to distant noise. These choices control the balance between convenience and security, so choose what fits your daily use. Finally, test the flow. Lock your phone and say, "Hey Google," then try aloud commands like set an alarm or play music. Verify restricted actions fail as intended. If the assistant misfires or doesn't respond, retrain the voice model, lower sensitivity, or toggle lock screen access and test again. Make sure the Google app and system are updated. If problems persist, reboot the device or clear Assistant app data. One key tip: retrain your voice model before changing major settings to fix recognition issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.